Welcome back to another exciting video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how can you create this kind of amazing fitness coach website using Lovable, and after that I will show you how can you push all the codes to GitHub which will be required to put this website online using Netlify. Okay, so you will have the complete live URL or link to send it to any client, to pitch it to any client, so that you can acquire big projects for yourself with minimal amount of works. You can say 5 to 10 minutes of work can land you $1,000 to $2,000 projects. Okay, so let's get started. I have created this complete website from scratch within 10 minutes. Okay, and as you can see, this is looking insane in terms of brand identity, in terms of credibility. It will be definitely going to impress any fitness coach out there. Okay, so we have the result section, the program section, FAQ, and the contact form booking section, on which anyone can simply submit that form and it will be received on the fitness coach email. Okay, so I'm going to show you how can you create this kind of amazing looking website all for yourself. As a complete beginner, you don't need any kind of experience of coding or website development. If you want to create a website for yourself, then for your business, even though you can find this tutorial to be very valuable for you. Okay, so let's get started and let me help you create this kind of amazing looking website within 5 to 10 minutes. So in order to create a professional fitness coach website with booking and contact form, we will need an amazing prompt. Okay, I have created a prompt using ChatGPT already, and I will put this document link into the description so that you guys can follow along easily. After that, we will move to the lovable.dev website, which is a great AI tool for creating websites. Okay, it's fairly easy to use even for beginners. Okay, I will make sure to create a detailed video on this as well, on how to use Lovable. Okay, you will be able to see all of your projects into recent project section. If you have a new account, then you won't have any project obviously. You will be able to simply switch the appearance of the dashboard to light, dark, or system themes. Okay, so it's fairly simple to use. We will have a big box for the prompting. Okay, so we can simply paste our prompt over here, and after that make sure to select the mode to plan, and it will create a detailed plan to implement on our website. Okay, we can simply control the tech stack it is going to use, the UI it's going to use, the typography, colors, icons, and everything else. We can simply modify it or edit it however we want, so that it will follow our instructions more closely, and we will have the dream output or desired output to be similar to what we are asking for. Okay, so let me review the website implementation plan, development plan. Okay, we will have the sections over here, the nav bar, hero, social proof, and all. We can review it, we can add or edit any section we want. After that, we have the global UI section, in which it mentions the floating WhatsApp button, smooth scroll, and everything else we mentioned in our prompt. It has given us the detailed file structure as well, so we can review it, and after that we can simply approve this plan, and it will start coding the complete website from scratch without us lifting any finger right now. Okay, so let's wait for it while it's creating and coding the complete website, and it will hardly take 2 to 5 minutes to have the first prototype ready. So let's wait for it. And amazing, the first prototype is ready. Now let's review the website and just look at this. It is giving the fully premium vibe. The colors, the text, the sections it has, and the typography, everything is looking insane and amazing. We just need to ask Lovable to create some images and put as replacement. Okay, other than that, we have all the sections we have asked for. We have nice CTAs and FAQs. After that, we have the contact form as well, and a nice footer with social media links. Okay, so let me ask it to put the email we want on the website and the phone number we want to put for our fitness coach. Okay, so let me put a simple prompt over here that please put this email and phone number on the website, and after that let's hit enter, and it will replace and put our desired input into it. Okay, so this is how you can simply edit or modify any sections, anything on the Lovable. Okay, it's fairly simple to use, very easy for beginners. You just need to simply ask any changes you want in simple English, and it will perform it for you live on the website. Okay, after that you can simply review it, and you can edit it section by section as well. If you need a complete tutorial, a complete course on Lovable website generation, then you can simply comment below this video and I will make sure to cover it into upcoming videos. Okay, so it has added the new email and new phone number. Let's verify it, and we can see it here, and it has successfully updated. Nice. So there is one more thing. We have the images placeholders over here, but we would like to have the real images as a replacement, not just placeholder images and icons. Okay, so let me ask it to put the real images instead of placeholder images on the website. Okay, after that hit enter, and it will start making the adjustment. It will start creating the images for us, and it will place them as the exact replacement. So we don't need to do any kind of fancy stuff to tell this kind of changes. Okay, it's very easy and it's very beginner friendly. And amazing, we have got the success message that it has updated all the images. So let's review it now. Let's go to full screen and just look at this. The images are looking very professional and insane. If you have the real images of your fitness coach, then you can simply upload it here and ask the Lovable to put it there in place. Okay, and it will replace all the images section by section. Okay, as we can see, we have the real people, real results section over here, in which we have uploaded the before and after transformation images. So these kind of sites will definitely boost the credibility of your fitness coach, and they might get more bookings. If they will make more money, then they will be simply able to provide you or giving you back the more money. You can simply ask them for a monthly maintenance. There is one more issue I can see on the contact form, that primary goal text field is not visible clearly. Okay, so let me give a simple prompt over here that fix the primary goal drop down text color so it remains visible. Also make sure to put this number as the WhatsApp booking number. Okay, so let's hit enter after pasting our prompt, and it will make all the necessary changes. It will fix our forms. I am attaching a screenshot of the issue as well, and I am going to mark the area so that Lovable can easily understand what we are talking about. So you can follow the same for any complex issues you see on your website, so that Lovable can easily understand what you are talking about. It will help you save lots of credits during the website creation. As we are using the free plan, it becomes more essential as well. But I will definitely recommend you to check out their paid plans as well, because the value this AI tool is giving you back is amazing. You can simply sell this kind of website for $1,000 to $2,000 to any fitness coach you like. Okay, you just simply need to pitch this website to fitness coaches using Google Maps. Okay, now let's check the WhatsApp button, and it's working correctly. Okay, we have the our number updated over here, but API has been blocked, so no issue. It might be the location or URL issue. We can simply ask the Lovable to fix it. So this is how you work with the Lovable. Okay, we have everything ready. We have the whole website ready in just 5 to 8 minutes, and it's looking insane. So in the next steps, now I'm going to show you how can you put it online and share it with any client you like. Okay, so in order to put it on a server, we are going to use the free plan of Netlify. But before that, we need to push all of our website codes to our GitHub repository. Okay, so you can simply create a free GitHub account, and you can simply click on the icon on the top and connect your GitHub account with Lovable, and it will automatically create a repository for you and push all the codes in that particular repository. Okay, So you just need to click on view on GitHub and you will be able to see all of your website ports over there. Okay. If you need a complete detailed videos on these steps as well, then please let me know in the comments and I will make sure to create the complete video on that as well. Okay. So after pushing our codes to GitHub, we just need to open our Netlify account. Now I have already a free account with them and you can sign up for a free account with them as well using the link into the description. Okay. After logging in, just click on add new project and click on GitHub option and it will log in and authorize into our GitHub account. And amazing. After that, we will be able to see all of our repositories from GitHub listed here. So we need to create the one named Elite Fitness. Okay, here Elite Transformation, sorry. And after that, we will need to put the project name as well. We need to put any kind of unique name like Elite Coaching so that it will be available for our subdomain creation. And after that, just click on deploy this project and it will now start deploying this project and it will give us a live URL of the website within seconds. So let's wait for it. And amazing, we have got the success green link. Just click on it and your website will be opened on a live URL which you can simply share it to any fitness coach in your area, or you can simply find the clients on Google Maps. I have created a dedicated video on that topic as well. I will put the link into the description so that you guys can simply follow it to find high paying clients using Google Maps. Okay. So this is insane, guys. We have our whole website ready within 10 minutes and it's live on a real subdomain and we can share it to anybody in the world, anyone in the world. Okay. And it's looking insane. Okay, if you will going to custom code it manually, then it's definitely will take 7 to 8 days for any senior website developer as well. So I hope you have liked this video so far. If you have liked it, then make sure to like this video, comment on this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can start their no code AI website development journey all for free. If you have any kind of questions regarding this website or connecting the contact form to your email, or if you want to learn how to get more clients easily, then make sure to comment below this video. If you have any project of yourself and if you want to work with me, then you will find my website link into the description. You can contact me using my contact form. Okay, and I will reply you guys as soon as possible and my team will handle that project for you.